So today man's here with the Premier League updates. Obviously today there's Premier League football. You got Wolves v Newcastle, Aston Villa, Everton. The Wolves v Newcastle at 2 p.m. Aston Villa v Everton 4:30 p.m. Obviously it's Premier League. You know Arsenal got 1 point yesterday. City obviously lost to Man United. And obviously Aston Villa, I'd say they're definitely still in the title race. So if they win today, obviously they're going to be closer on points than City. You get what I'm saying? So we're on 50 points. Aston Villa's on 43. So they're playing today. So obviously Arsenal fans are going to be tuned in at 4:30 to see what's going on with Aston Villa v Everton. And just, you know, everything's going to be good, but just see how it goes. I hope everyone has a good day. Enjoy the football your weekend. And I'll see you again soon.